Hello all, this is a pelonis fan 4-seater, has an adjustable thermostat, convenient carrying handle, 3 heat, 1 fan setting, and power indication light. Here's all the specs. More for, my bad, so that was on the right side. Heats quickly, more for space heating, spot and room heating. It's cool. I used to have one of these last year, but I took it apart. It heats my room pretty decently, even though it's not rated for a homeroom heater. It doesn't get that cold in here, it's just a little bit uncomfortable. So, heats my room in about 6 hours, which is not bad for as little as it is. It really saves some space, and yeah. But this is model Papa Sierra Hotel 08F 1 Alpha Bravo Bravo, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 1500 watts. Date code 2205. It was actually built this year. And of course it's made in China, which I really don't mind. But anyway, enough chit chat. Let's see this mug go. This is the fan only setting. Don't really have that much airflow. I mean, it puts out more of a breeze. This is like room temperature air. Medium, you can actually start to feel the heat. And high, it really puts out some heat. And the adjustable thermostat, I'm turning it slowly. See, as you can see, the power's still on. But the adjustable thermostat. Fan does have a decent spin down. You can't really see it in the video. Well, maybe you can see it a little bit. Anyway, this is the pelonis model. I still gotta study the model number, so bear with me. Oh, come on, focus. Focus. Model Papa Sierra Hotel 08F-1A Alpha dash let me start over. PCH0AF 1ABB or Papa Sierra Hotel 08 Foxtrot 1 Alpha Bravo Bravo. I recommend this if your room gets a little bit uncomfortable, but not too cold. So, time. Bye.